Hi everybody. I'm going to look at a leaky freeze plug. I'm coming in here and I'm looking right up there, and as you can see, it's got water dripping from it. I don't know if you can focus in on that. There we go. Right on the bottom of it there, it's leaking water. So I'll run to the store, pick up a brass one, and see if I can replace it. See you in a bit. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to drain the radiator. My radiator drain plug is up here, and it's got a 19 millimeter little plastic valve on it, I guess. Just loosen that, and I got a hose running from the side all the way down here to this handy bucket. So I just loosened it. Now I can get it by hand. No, it's not coming out of the, there it comes out of the hose. Ooh, that's nasty. We'll let that drain out, and then we'll proceed. So I'm trying to decide whether or not to put another steel one in, or one of those brass ones, or go with a rubber plug that you just put in and then you tighten down, which I think in this case it's going to be better because I don't have enough room to swing a hammer to tap the new one in because of that dipstick tube. The oil dipstick tube's kind of right in front of it, and so I'm just going to get me a rubber plug and stick it in there after I get this out. I'm still letting it drain. It's still dripping, you can see. And then I'm going to run up and get that rubber one because I don't think I'm going to be able to tap that in. Be back in a sec. See ya! So what I got was this plug here from O'Reilly's. It was like $4.50. Not too bad. So everybody else on YouTube says take a screwdriver, stick it on the side, and smack the crap out of it until it spins. Let's see what happens if I try. Oh, I get a freaking waterfall. That's just my luck. Alright, we'll let that drain. Woohoo! I'll be back. So now that we're done draining the rest of this crap, sort of, let's try this again. Try not to get soaking wet. So I guess that was so rusted right there, it just pushed a hole right through it. I'm gonna go a little bit on this side. Not really hit it square, but now with my light. Sucker. Yeah, it's supposed to be easy, they say. Yeah. That ain't easy. Let's try a different approach. A different tool. Just hope the camera stays there. Aha! It moved. Feels like I'm pushing it all the way in though. That's not good. Freaking more water. I gotta get the pliers in there and pull that sucker out before it goes up into the engine block. Yeah. How come things are always harder for me than everybody else on YouTube? Okay, well, I'm gonna have to get a different tool or something. Go get a hook. I'm going to try to spin it so that hole that I punched in earlier is on the bottom and I can hook it out of there. Maybe. There's the hole. There's the hook. Okay, I'm going to pull it like a freaking... Oh, shit. Side. Well, if this exhaust wasn't in the way, it'd be a lot easier. Okay. Ah, there we go. It's out. Look how rusty and gross that is. Okay. No wonder it needed a new one. Okay. Now for the flush. going to put the rubber plug back in. Or the new one. Let's see if we can get it in there. It's supposed to make my life easier, not harder. That damn oil stick, or dipstick tube, it's just in the way. Of course. Son of a bitch. Oh, well, I'm gonna have to take that out. Damn it. Let me take the dipstick tube off. I'll get back. Okay, I got it. I know that time. Now we'll stick this sucker in. Let me in. Push it with something. Voila! That sucker's in. Now we'll tighten it down. Boy, I'm wondering which way is the best way here. There, now it's going. So the torque specs on this are in German. They say Guten tight, so I will make it Guten tight. Ow. And that sucker should be sealed up. One more. Okay, one more. Ta-da! We now have a sealed leaky plug. Now I have to put that oil thing back in. Oil dipstick, which I'm not looking forward to. Alright. Now, I got it refilled with water and I'm looking for leaks. And it looks pretty good. And I gotta get my oil dipstick back in there. Let me do that. Thanks for watching and hope this helped.